Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Paris. So good to see you again. I'm so grateful for you guys. I love having you on this show and I appreciate all of your support today. Isn't it just the best feeling to walk into the home that wraps you in the warmth and the security, where you can kick off your shoes, sink your toe in a cozy rock, nestle in some fluffy pillows, and cradle your favorite mugs? It's the pure happiness. Having the place like that is the real blessing, and it's something not everyone get to experience. But for those of us who do, it's pretty awesome to have the space that reflects our style, personality, and the vibe we wanted our home to have. 10 latest interior design trends. Let's get started. The first is multi-purpose interior. Have you noticed how our way of living has evolved over time? Nowadays, rooms in our home aren't just for one thing anymore. They are like multitasking champs. The modern home is all about versatility, adopting our ever-changing needs and the lifestyle. Think about it, in your living room might double as the workspace during the day and transform into the cozy hangout spot with the friends at night. And it's all about making the most of the space we have and creating environments that suit our dynamic lives. In 2024, we're expecting to see even more of this trend. Rooms that used to have one clear purpose and now become flexible space that can be dining room 1 minute and the gaming room the next day, and then maybe even library after that. Imagine having the kitchen with a bar top where you can grab the quick bite, or the living room with a bookshelf that turn into the cozy reading nook. The possibilities are endless, and that makes the modern living so exciting. Number 2, peel and stick wallpaper with the bold pattern and the color trends. It's like giving you the bold personality, making over without the hustle of traditional wallpaper application. With the endless options range from the geometric patterns to botanical motif, you can easily transform any room into a stylish event. Plus, the convenience of the peel and stick technology means you can switch up your decor whenever the mood strikes. So go ahead, add a pop of the color and personality to your space with the peel and stick wallpaper. It's the ultimate design hack. Number 3, the less is more approach. You know what's making the comeback in interior design? Reviving those beloved old fashions. People are moving away from the minimalism and embracing style like Art Deco that are all about orient detail and the bold vibes. Art Deco or Art Decorative, if you want to get fancy, it's all about bright colors, strong shapes, and a lot of fancy details. It's like bringing the touch of the old Hollywood glamour into your home. If you are into Art Deco and you want to sprinkle some of that magic into your space, try mixing it with other patterns to give the modern and the twist. Number 4, nature comes indoor. Have you noticed how interior design trends are leaning toward more eco-friendly vibes lately? It's like all about those warm tones and the natural elements that bring the cozy, authentic feel to our space. People are loving decor elements made from the real or the fair natural materials because they add that touch of the nature right into our home. It's like bringing the outdoor in. And let me tell you, the natural wood is having the moment, from the flooring to countertop to accent decor. You will see it everywhere. You don't forget about stones like a marble, granite, or pebble. Here is the fun part. Everyone getting on board with recycled and the handcrafts good. It's just not about how they look. It's all about making the eco-friendly choices that make a difference. Whether you are rocking the sustainable bamboo floor or creating your own little indoor jungle with the plants, bringing the nature indoor is totally the way to go in 2024. It's like you're giving the big hug from the mother nature herself. Number 5, concrete accent. You know how the concrete has always been go-to for flooring or the countertops? Well, guess what? This super versatile materials is breaking out of its usual roles and making it the way into some seriously cool places in our home. Nowadays, you can find concrete popping up in unexpected spots like pendant lights or the furniture pieces. It's adding the touch of the industrial chic that totally on trend and giving you the space a modern age. But here are the things. While the concrete is awesome, you don't want your place feel like the dairy warehouse, right? That's where the magic of the color come in. Pair those concrete accents with the bright, warm hues like red or the yellow to keep the things lively and in a line. With the freshest interior vibe of the 2024, go ahead, mix and match, and let your creativity shine. Your space is your canvas, and with the concrete, the possibilities are endless. Number 6, maximalism is all about mixing and matching prints, throwing in the vibrant colors and the decking out of your space with all sorts of eye-catching goodies. What used to be the rebellious style choices against the minimalism is now totally taking over as one of the hottest trends in the interior design. And let me tell you, diving into the maximalism is so much fun. Being layered up with a bunch of the funky cushion in the different colors and the patterns, while you got that cozy vibe going, go wild with your furniture choices, experiment with the bold wallpapers, and don't be afraid to play around the paint colors. With the maximalism, there is no rules. Just let your creativity run wild and have a blast making your space as electric and vibrant as you want to be. Number 7, bold wallpaper. Have you noticed how bold wallpaper is taking all over the walls these days? It's popping up everywhere, from the living room to the bedroom to the conference room, you name it. Remember when the wallpaper was just a quirky little touch? Well, not anymore. These days, all about making the statement with the bold, decorative design that are really grab your attention. It's just turning your wall into the work of art. The latest interior design trends are all about embracing the wallpaper as a form of self-expression. You got geometric pattern, stunning landscaping scene, funky abstract shape, and even the human and animal figures. The optionals are endless. So why not giving your space a fresh new look with some eye-catching wallpaper? Is an easy way to add personality and style to any room. And with so many cool prints to choose from, you're sure to find something that speaks to you. Go ahead and let your wall do the talk. Number 8, warm color making comeback. Color play the crucial roles in interior design and are always important in the current interior design trend. They can make or break your design, as a color evokes emotion from the people who will exist in your space. In order in design in accordance in the latest trend, color should match the look, design, and the feel of the house. In the early season, warm color had been traded in the 4 coolest color like a purple. However, in 2024, warm colors are making the huge comeback. While the red being considered the color of the season, all shades of the red orange will be taking over the trend of 2024. Brown and the beige are more common for the earthy tones in the home this year. Although the last year, gray was the mostly used as a neutral color. Beige and the warm color palette are replacing the cool hue this season. Number 9, curves replace straight lines. Have you noticed how the curves and smooth edge are totally change up the vibe in a home decor? It's all about those organic, attractive shapes that are giving our space the cozy, laid-back feel. Say goodbye those boxy edges and clear lines. They are making way for puffy, super, and comfy. Chairs that are all the range in 2024, and it's not just the furniture. Circular pieces like mirrors, artwork, and even the tables are taking the center stage, adding the touch of the softness and charm to our home. It's like bringing the little bit that comfy casual vibe into every corner of your space. So why not kick back and relax in style with some of these trendy curvy pieces. Trust me, your home will thank you for it. Number 10, create a self-care space in your home. It's all about creating the spaces that help calm our busy minds and boost our creativity by using suiting color and the material. It's like bringing a little piece of the serenity in your home. More and more folks are jumping on the board, looking for the design and the products that not only look good, but also help them feel their best. For instance, imagine having your own mini spa or jacuzzi right in your home. Talk about ultimate relaxation spot. Or how about carving out the cozy corner where you can curl up with a good book, jot down your thought in a journal, or just chill out. The possibilities are endless when it's come to the future of the interior design trend. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and pick up a few key points that could assist you with realizing your dream home. If you like today's episode, please support by clicking on that subscribe button and notification button to stay in a loop of compelling design episodes. This is Paris. Thanks for watching.